if you're fairly new to options and you don't know how the pricing of the option works, meaning like the theta, the Greeks and what they can do to your contract, if you're a lot of traders, when they get into options trading, they're expecting these massive moves of, sometimes they nail that 200-300% play and they expect it every day. It's in their head. The stock market will not reward you. It will humble you out of those 200-300% quickly. And what I mean by that, until you psychologically figure out how to trade these balances, being happy with 10, 15, 20% on a trade is good. And it becomes easy when you're, mentally ready to accept 15% win or 20% win. If you're expecting 100% win on a typical and a D-shaped volume profile, is going to be really, really hard for you to trade, because most likely what you're going to do is you're going to double down. You're going to blow up your account chasing, and the theta, they're just going to be saying thank you, because you're going to be trading, in a really slow price action, but you're going to be expecting some crazy returns. And when you're up 15%, you're not going to take the profits. And usually, people start averaging down to, losing positions, not their winning ones. So that's that. From that perspective, I say it's hard. Once you figure out, your greed levels, and you figure out, that you can compound your account much quicker than a lottery style, it becomes very easy to trade. It's actually my favorite to trade is the range days, right? Because you can short the highs, buy the lows, and let the market do it for you. But you have to be a little bit quicker on profits.
That's super helpful because that's exactly, Shorty, what has happened to me. I've gotten burned because of that. I didn't take and I didn't understand how much the theta would kill me, and I've lost more when I thought, I went from being ahead to losing a lot.
Yeah, and that's mainly driven because it looks easy, right? And then you're like, oh crap, man, I was up 15%. Let me just add more and I'll equal it out, right? And then you add, and you're like, oh crap, man, the day is over and we barely moved the price, and all they did is ate your contract. So that's why I'd say it's hard until people realize you can compound your account with 10-15%. I mean, if you can do 10% daily on every trade that you take, you'll be a millionaire in no time.